If Slovenia is on the right path today, this is because of Prime Minister Janša. This is because of the work of his party, Slovenian Democratic Party. Slovenia had gone through major changes over the past few years. These changes were for the better. Janez Janša and his government had the courage to bring about reforms, about changes, improving a lot the lives of people in Slovenia. Coming from our own experience, looking at Slovakia today, I am sure that the reform course of the country should not be interrupted. Socialists are able to have only false promises, but they are unable to respond to the present challenges, global problems, local questions. On the contrary, it is the center-right governments which are able to solve the real problems of people, to bring higher level of stability and prosperity. Mr. Janša proved his skills, his good political instinct and wisdom, and not only as the Prime Minister of Slovenia, but also as the President of the European Union. Mr. Janša was the first European leader in such a position, and I must tell that he did his work fantastically. So these all are the reasons why I'm sure that Mr. Janša and his party should obtain new, other strong governmental mandate to run the country, to lead Slovenia also in the future. So, dear Janša, dear Janez, my good friend, I wish you all the best, good result, and great success in coming elections, but also in the future with your country, with Slovenia.